So at first we go to right over here, and then we go to all setting. As we go to all setting, go to system, and in system we should look for storage. Here we can see that I have an 389 GB C drive, and out of 389 GB we have 103 GB left. So make sure the amount of space that is left in your drive, which is required for the future in this video. So as we can see, 103 GB left is in my C drive. So now we go to this PC, and then we go for properties. So as you click on properties, this window will come up, and let's go to advanced system setting. As we go there, you can see different computer name, hardware, advanced, system property, and remote. So again we go to advanced, and here you can see something called performance. So here in performance, click on settings. As you go to setting, once again ignore this and go to advanced. So after going on advanced, here you can see the virtual memory, which is what we are going to increase. So we click on change, and now here automatically manage paging this file for all drives. We will uncheck this, and we can select which drive we are going to use to allocate the space for virtual memory. As we have already seen, 103 GB is left in my C drive, so I am going to select C drive. Select on C drive, and you check on this customized size. So what we are going to do is we are going to input the amount of virtual memory which we are going to add. So we should input it in MB. So I will keep the initial size of about 25,000, and which will be nearly equal to minimum of 25 GB nearly, and the maximum size we go up to 35,000. So we click 35,000 over here, and then we just click set. So here you can see the paging file size 25,000 to 35,000. That means whenever our system requires extra bit of RAM, then it will be using minimum 25,000, which is equals to 25 GB approx, and up to 35 GB from our C drive. You can use this for H drive or E drive also. So in order to check if the step was correct, we again go to all settings, and again we go to system, and then we will go to storage. Now you can see we have only 70 GB left. So about 30 GB of space from our C drive is used in creating the virtual memory. So in this way you can increase the virtual memory of your PC, and you can run various applications simultaneously or various programs simultaneously in your PC. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe Talk Technology.